That, guys, is what I call beautiful. Just waiting because I saw some earlier, but then it didn't get the video on it, so I'm just gonna start looking at it again. The camera. And this time I might get some. I won't get any now because there's 2 lights on. It's probably gonna be a beautiful display like there was last time. Guys, sorry, I just missed a big green one. Sorry about that. Oh, I just missed that red one. Maybe I should just keep the camera looking out. So then you might see some. I can see some smoke from the firework. Is there actually stars out? I didn't know that. I couldn't see any stars. Maybe there isn't. Maybe it's just my head's being silly. I really hope some fireworks do come. It's been 2 minutes and I've barely even recorded anything. I've only recorded that beautiful display. Then me talk. Oh my god. Oh my great heavens. Oh my lord. Maybe if I talk about fireworks. Not going off, they'll go off. Oh, I wish some fireworks would go off. Oh, I really do wish. There's not been any fireworks today. I'm so sad. Oh, I really wish this would have been a good bonfire night. There's not any fireworks out. There's like 0% fireworks. Like I can't see any. Or am I just blind? Guys, this is part of the trick. Don't feel bad for me. I've seen quite a few fireworks already. This is working. Oh, I really wish some fireworks come. Oh, there's none out. There's actually none out. Oh my god, I saw some down there. Nope, not any down there. Hopefully they'll come back. I hear lots. Don't see him. Maybe I can sing a little song. Oh, fireworks, please do come. I'm really wishing for just some. I really need fireworks. It's all I want on this one bonfire night. Please, oh please, fireworks. Spread all your glitter and your gunpowder and your smoke. Please be lots of fireworks on this bonfire night to make it the best that it's ever been. I think it might have worked. I'm not sure though. Oh, yes, it worked. It's worked. It worked. Did you see that, guys? That big red one that turned gold. That was so cool. Oh my god, that was so beautiful. I love Bonfire Night. Did you see that one that just launched? One that just launched out. Oh, these fireworks are being actually kind now. Oh, I think I saw a bonfire. There's the ones that go like... Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I'm standing back so you can see the whole thing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. People in England must be lucky. People in England are lucky. Because they see all this. Then in America, they see it on the 4th of July. Sorry if I'm lifting the camera a bit too high. Can't really see it from there. Maybe I should just keep it here. Oh my god. I just saw like a green, red and blue one. That's so cool. Oh my god. Definitely taking a picture of that. I'm using my phone and not a camera, like an actual camera. I'm just using the camera on my phone so I can take pictures as well. Especially for the thumbnail. Oh, there's not any fireworks anymore. Oh my god. I just saw one. I was actually meaning there wasn't any fireworks because there literally was not. Not any fireworks again. I wish they would come back. Oh, some down there. It's beautiful.